Welcome back to my channel Prabhas GK and Competition. In this video we will discuss about the various important MCQ of periodic table which are very crucial for your upcoming exams. So you need to watch the complete video without skipping it so that it will be more helpful for you. And the first question is, the modern periodic table is based on. The modern periodic table is based on the atomic number. Remember, the modern periodic table is based on the atomic number. And the next question is, atomic number is the number of proton inside the atom. Remember, the number of proton inside the atom is called atomic number. What is atomic mass? And the atomic mass is the sum of proton and neutron. Only proton, it is called atomic number. Proton plus neutron, it is called atomic mass. So the number of proton and neutron combinedly called atomic mass. Mendeleev periodic table is based on. The Mendeleev periodic table is based on atomic mass. Remember, and the modern periodic table is based on the atomic number. Mendeleev periodic table is published in 1869. The total number of periods and groups in modern periodic table 7 and 18. That is, the number of period is 7 and the number of group is 18. All elements of a particular group have same. All the elements of a particular group have same valency. All the elements of a particular group have same valency. What is group? That is, the vertical lines are called groups. So the all elements of a particular group have same valency. Similarly, all elements of a particular period have same. All elements of a particular period have same the number of cell. That is, the period is called the horizontal lines. That is, all elements of a particular period have same number of cell. Total element in the modern periodic table is, the total number of element in modern periodic table is 118. Any two element having same atomic number, are called isotopes. Any two element of same atomic mass, are called isobars. Any two element of same number of neutron are called isotons. Remember, I am repeating again, if the atomic number is same, then these are called isotopes. If atomic mass are same, these are called isobars. And if neutron are same, these are called isotons. Next question. The basic property of an element can be obtained from. Atomic number. The first human-made element is polonium. Remember, the polonium is the first human-made element. What is the atomic number above which all elements are radioactive? And the answer is 82. Above 82, all elements are radioactive. Filament of a halogen lamp is made up of. The filament of halogen lamp is made up of tungsten and iodine mixture. Which metal is known as the metal of future? And the answer is titanium. Titanium is called the metal of future. Neutrons are discovered by Chadwick. Remember, neutrons are discovered by Chadwick. The radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium, and its formula is H13. Remember, there are three isotopes of hydrogen. These are deuterium, tritium, and protium. And among the three, tritium is radioactive. The element kept in water is phosphorus. Phosphorus is generally kept in water. Which is used as the dry bleacher? And the answer is ozone. Ozone, that is O3, is used as dry bleacher. total number of radioactive element in periodic table is, the total number of radioactive element in periodic table is 25. The answer is 25. Remember, there are 118 elements of periodic table. Among them, 25 elements are radioactive elements. Highest ionization potential element is, the element having highest ionization potential in periodic table is hydrogen. Hydrogen have highest ionization potential. The element that sublime on heating, the element that sublime on heating is iodine. Iodine sublimes on heating, that is it directly converted into gas. Sublimation is the process in which the solid is directly converted into gas. The artificial explosive is dynamite. Dynamite is also called artificial explosive, which was discovered by Alfred Nobel. Liquid element which is radioactive in nature. The liquid element which is radioactive in nature is francium. Francium is the only liquid radioactive element. Element having highest tensile strength. The element having highest tensile strength is boron. Boron have highest tensile strength. Which metal is called noble metal? And the answer is platinum and gold. These are called noble metals. Noble metal means they do not react with other elements. They do not react with other elements. So these are called noble metals. And generally platinum and gold are two noble metals, and they have a least reactivity. Most metals are found in which form? Most metals are found in oxide form. Remember, most metals are found in oxide form because oxygen is highly available in earth. So all metals are found in oxide form. Heaviest naturally occurring element. Heaviest natural occurring element is uranium. Heaviest natural occurring element is uranium, and its atomic number is 238. Most abundant element of earth. Most abundant element of earth is oxygen. The most abundant element is oxygen. Rarest element of earth. Rarest element of earth is astatine. Astatine is the rarest element of earth. Most abundant metal on earth crust is aluminium. Remember, most abundant element is oxygen. Most abundant metal is aluminium. Which element containing no neutron? Which element containing no neutron? And the answer is protium. Protium's formula is 1H11, and it is an isotope of hydrogen. Remember, hydrogen have three isotopes: H11, H12, H13. Among them, H13 is radioactive. Latest discovered element is hanium. Remember, hanium is the latest discovered element. Most reactive solid element. Most reactive solid element is lithium. Lithium is the most reactive solid element, and potassium is the most reactive metal. Remember, alkali metals are more reactive. Alkali metals are more reactive. Most reactive liquid element. Most reactive liquid element is cesium. Cesium is most reactive liquid element. Three isotopes of hydrogen are H11, H12, H13, and these are called deuterium. Deuterium means H12, tritium means H13, and protium means H11. And remember, H11 have no neutron. The only element having no neutron is protium, and the radioactive isotope of hydrogen is tritium. Amphoteric elements are the element which react with both acid and base. The element which react with both acid and base are called amphoteric elements. Amphoteric metals are zinc, aluminium, tin and lead. Zinc, aluminium, tin and lead. These are amphoteric metals. Amphoteric non-metals are silicons. Remember, silicon is amphoteric non-metal. What is used as coolant in nuclear reactor? What is used as coolant in nuclear reactor? And the answer is deuterium oxide. Deuterium oxide is used as coolant in nuclear reactor, and its chemical formula is D2O, and it's also called heavy water. Deuterium oxide, which is also called as heavy water, is used as coolant in nuclear reactor. The group 1 element is also called alkali metals. Remember, the group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group 2 elements are called alkaline metal. Group 3 to 12 are called transition series. Group 17 is called halogens, and group 18 are called inert gas. The group 2 is also called alkaline metals. Alkaline or earth metals. Group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. The group 3 to 12 are also referred as transition series. The group 3 to 12 elements are called transition series. The group 17 elements are called halogens. Remember, group 17 elements are called halogens, and group 18 elements are called inert gases. The group 1 and 2 are combined called. The group 1 is called alkali metal. The group 2 is called alkaline metal, and they are combinedly called electropositive metals. That is, both alkali metal and alkaline metals are combined called electropositive metals. From group 13 to 18 are also referred as, they are also referred as electronegative metals. Among them, group 17 is called halogens, group 16 is called chalcogens, and group 18 are called inert gases, and group 13 to 18 are called electronegative metals. The most electronegative metal in periodic table is fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative metal. The element having highest electron affinity is chlorine. Chlorine have highest electron affinity. Most reactive metal is potassium. Remember, potassium is the most reactive metal in periodic table. So it is kept inside the kerosene oil. Both potassium and sodium are most reactive, so they kept inside the kerosene oil. Due to high reactivity of K and Na, they are kept inside kerosene oil. Graphite and diamonds are dash of carbon. Graphite and diamonds are allotropes of carbon. These are allotropes of carbon. The metal conduct electricity due to the presence of free electron. Remember, metal conduct electricity due to the presence of free electrons. Which non-metal is lustrous? And the answer is iodine. Iodine is the only non-metal which have lustrous property. Metals are extracted from ores. Remember, metals are extracted from ores, and from ores are extracted from minerals. Remember, metals are extracted from the ores, and ores are extracted from the mineral. Which metal is called Nobel metal? And the answer is gold and platinum. Gold and platinum are called Nobel metals because they have very less reactivity, because they do not react with other metals, so they are called Nobel metals. Most of the metals found in which form? Most of the metals are found in oxide form because oxygen is highly available in the earth surface. So most of the metals are found in oxide form. The last two groups present below the periodic tables are called lanthanide and actinide series. And the last question is lanthanide and actinide are also called rare earth element. This is the last question. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get the information about the upcoming video. Thank you.